In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore archive projects in Asana. If you've ever archived a project in Asana and then realized later that you still need it, don't worry. Restoring it is simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you can quickly bring any archived project back into your active workspace. First, open Asana and go to the area where your projects are listed. Look toward the left-hand side of your screen where you see your teams and projects. Find any project in that list, and then look for a small arrow or caret icon beside the project name. Click on that arrow. This opens a small menu that gives you more options related to projects within that team or workspace. From the menu that appears, click on the option labeled Browse Projects. This will open a broader project browser view where you can see a list of all projects associated with that team or space, not just the ones that are currently active in your sidebar. Think of this as your main library of projects. Once you're on the Browse Projects page, you'll see different filters and sorting options across the top, including one called Status. Go ahead and click on Status. This filter controls whether you're viewing active projects, archived ones, or other status categories, depending on how your Asana is set up. After clicking Status, you'll see a drop-down with several options. Choose Archived. This tells Asana to show you only the projects that have been archived. The list of projects on the page will update, and now everything you see should be an archived project. Next, scroll through the archived projects list and click on the specific project you want to bring back. When you select it, Asana will open that project's main page, just like it would for any active project, but you'll notice indicators that it's currently archived, such as limited editing options or a status label. To restore it, look to the upper right corner of the project page. You should see a button labeled Restore. Click on Restore, and Asana will immediately change the project status from archived back to active. Once restored, the project will reappear in your regular project list, and your team can interact with it as usual. That's all you need to do to restore archived projects in Asana.